can I do all my windows? Do I have to do all my windows or can I do some? And so the average American kind of does 8 windows at a time, and that's pretty similar to what we see in Kansas City. The biggest thing is do how many you can afford. If you do them in phases, it will cost more money, but that's okay, right? So it's kind of money today versus money later. And it's because the cost of things kind of always go up, and then we might have a dumpster twice or other accessories multiple times. And so about 80% of our customers tend to do all windows, and about 20% just do, like 1 to 5. Something you might want to consider is doing all the windows on one wall. That way, when you look at the front of your home, you don't do 5 windows, but not the other 3, so it looks consistent. So that's a pretty common thing that we see for homeowners. But it really comes down to preference. Like we do have we'll do 1 window. And so if you want to call us, we're happy to do 1 window or do 15 windows. Because a lot of homeowners are like, Scott, could you give me a ballpark what this might cost for new window replacement in Fairway or in Leawood? And so I guess the 2 big things that drive it are what type of window do you want, and then how big is it? And so if you go through some different things, right? So double hung's the most common and the most affordable. And these are rough numbers, but like on a vinyl replacement window, you're probably anywhere from $850 to $1,000. On fiberglass, we like Marvin Essential and Marvin Vivid Fiberglass, fantastic company, windows made here in Kansas City, 4th generation. Those windows are probably like $1,500 to $1,800. And then you could do like a fiberglass exterior wood interior, which we see a lot in Brookside, Prairie Village, Fairway, kind of older homes. They want to keep the charm. They have wood everywhere else. Those are probably like $2,100 to $2,400. So as a rough estimate, you can get a vinyl window double hung for maybe $850 a window. You can get a fiberglass double hung window for maybe $15 to $18, and you can get a fiberglass exterior and a wood interior for around maybe $2,100 to $2,400. And then casements are also very popular. Casement windows, just a little bit more. And so if a vinyl double hungs maybe $850 to $1,000, a casement might be $1,000 to $1,200. And a casement of fiberglass might be $17,000 to $2,000, and a fiberglass exterior wood interior and a casement might be like $23,000 to $26,000 is like a rough ballpark number. We are having people say, hey, I want the window I want. I don't want to sacrifice quality. I don't want to sacrifice color. I really do want casements. I have 10 windows in my budget. Could we do 10 now and 5 later? Love that. Yes, we'd love to help you. We could certainly do that. We also have a ton of awesome financing options, whether you're going to look at like 18 months, no interest, 24 months, no interest, or you could even look at longer, 60 months or 84 months. But we do have a lot of people saying, hey, I have a budget for 10 windows of what I want, high quality. Maybe I'll just finance the last 5 to 8. And we're seeing that more and more.